So I'm going to be showing you this. I got this. So I'm going to be putting this transplant. I have this. Also have this. And this as well. Yeah, I'm going to put the dirt in it now. Seriously. Ma'am, cut it.
No, just put more dirt in there.
Now put it and then put the dirt on it.
No man, just no, just on something I learn. Just
Take off them they don't let up.
and then lay flat, like kind of lay flat.
Oh, I never learned that. What the hell? Leave some oats.
Still record?
Yes. So basically, that's why I wanted to not put everything to have some more dirt left that I'm going to show on top of it. So I think I don't know what you call it, the parts down here, the little piece, actually took them off to give more strength to the top. If that's what you say. So we're gonna see how long before we can get some tomatoes. We still have some more here. We're gonna pour it around it, fill the pot.
Try and cover as much, because it should the best thing to do is lay it sideways as far as possible, because all of those are going to become roots.
Oh yes.
But because we don't have a space in this pot, just try and cover that as much as possible. I'm sure you use your voice.
I wonder why. So normally back home I just throw them outside, and when they come up, come up. Oh my god. But
This is foreign.
we have to do things differently here.
And try.
Unless it was my own place.
Hope so they come before winter.
Yeah.
Well,
It's tomatoes, so they should come up within
Sure.
another few weeks. Maybe another 3 weeks. We should see some stuff. I want to actually get some callaloo as well. I'm gonna get some bigger container. Some, what you call them, like, but I think Best Beans, I saw Best doing them. She bought them online, and you can just do the planting in them. So to go. Alright, we're gonna keep it outside, and hopefully I'll show you the finish when it all blossoms. You'll be here for the show. This is August 5th, and we're seeing one tomato with several other blossom coming up. Actually, there was another one that came up and it actually fell off, so I decided to flame. So those are the little baby ones coming up there. But make sure you stick around, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow the show. I'm pretty excited to see the final outcome, and I'll definitely share with you when I'm going to enjoy my own tomato. But until that time, it's bye for now. Until the next one. See you then.